Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we have our Fibonacci retracement on these five waves up right here, this impulsive five-wave pattern. More than likely, we have two options. Option number one is this is going to go down and likely make an ABC correction to the five waves. Maybe go down to like the 60 or maybe the 78% and then end up making another wave up because the higher time frame trend is definitely still up. So that's my option number one. Option number two is that this potentially is some sort of a significant top on the daily time frame. Instead of this being an ABC, it turns into a 1, 2, 3, goes down and breaks this low right here. If price does go down and break this low, that's going to change my daily time frame from being up to being down. And if my daily time frame turns down, then I would expect this to go down probably for at least a week or so. So we potentially could have some sort of a top end. We do not really have any proof of it yet. So definitely be aware that it could just be another ABC correction like this to the uptrend. But if it does continue to maintain momentum, go down and give us a break of structure, that's what's going to turn me bearish for potentially a week or two. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.